Hello all, in this video we are going to view the CoreOS Panel driver. The CoreOS Panel driver is used to copy and import accessories from another configured screen on the same network. This automatically adds the already configured accessories to the screen. The copied accessories are distributed to the relevant rooms and unused accessories can be deleted. When a command is given to the accessories connected to the CoreOS Panel driver, this command is first sent to the copied screen, which then transfers the necessary command to the system. Let's do an example about this. This is a device with factory settings without any configuration. This device is a configured device. To copy the accessories in this device, I connect to the web interface of the device that does not have any configuration. From the Drivers tab, I add the CoreOS Panel driver and enter the IP address of the device whose accessories I want to copy. After entering, when we click on the Accessories section, you can see the copied accessories. Accessories are assigned to the default room. You can change the room by clicking on the specified button to edit. You can delete accessories that will not be used on the touch panel. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.